Hello everyone and welcome to our Nursing Informatics course. I'm Instructor Feldman. Today we're going to cover basics about nursing informatics, some terms. I'll briefly mention spreadsheets, the customized Excel video, and the Kahoot challenge. Information management, not computers, is really the focus of informatics. Nursing informatics is not only about technology. Of course, it involves technology. The computer and other technology aspects are tools. They're just necessary tools, just like a stethoscope. In this course, you'll learn some of those technological tools and topics like Excel, scholarly databases, nursing informatics theory, electronic health records, social media and ethics, telehealth and health equity, electronic nursing terminology. You'll work as a team of nurse informaticists after a disaster and solve downtime issues. And all of these activities and assignments require scholarly research. Nursing is a science and an art, and nurse informaticists do a lot behind the scenes. They do a lot with data, they do a lot with information, they interpret all of that, and they apply wisdom all within an ethical framework that's driven by values, using the technological tools, some which we talked about. And all of these decisions are geared to improving patient outcomes and showing nurses' unique contributions to those patient outcomes. Computer fluency, it's all about learning new computer skills based on what you already know and kind of having those skills transfer into the use of different computers and different applications and so on. And then information literacy. This is a really important concept for us. Information literacy is about several things. It's knowing when you need information, knowing how to find that information, how to properly evaluate that information, because we know we can't just, oh yeah, information, yep, it's good. We can't just do that. We have to evaluate it, and then we have to know how to use it. For nurses, it's really important because that's how we incorporate evidence-based practice. Excel, or any type of spreadsheet, is an application that you can use as a nurse to present data so that it's easier for you and others to analyze that data. Make sure to watch the customized video on the Excel project analysis. And don't forget the Kahoot challenge. Post or email your instructor with any questions.